Okay, I'm in the QSO with KG9NS, lives north of Cincinnati, who just got his IC7300 today, and he's interested in remoting it. So I'll have this QSO with him in a second when he comes back. W6FCC, it's now July 16th, 2018, 20 meters, and the band is not super active. Here, if I put the scope here, you can see a few signals out here, but here I am at 14,155. But I like to leave this in the fixed mode, because in fixed mode, while he's out there doing whatever, you can do some interesting things here in this fixed mode. Let me take a look down here. Where's the set? Here it is. Because it says scope tuning TX center type, this will, if you're in the center mode and you turn this on, when you transmit, it'll actually look at your signal. And I put the thing with a 10-second max hold here, and I've set a few other settings here so that my scope looks the way it does.
Alright, sorry about that.
Oh, here he is. He's come back.
Well had a question for me, and you always put everything on pause when the lovely lady comes down. Oh yeah. So I was going to ask, does the software have remote power on, power off capability as well?
Oh yeah, it does that, and it does a lot more. Now, the two groups you want to look at, one, there's a group called the IC7300 New Owners Group, and that was set up by a fellow named George. He's a Canadian, but I'm one of the administrators there, so if you were to go over there on Facebook and log in, they just ask a couple of questions like, what's your call sign and do you have an IC7300? And then the other one is ICOM RS-BA1, RS-BA1. That's another group that I started along with Rich, who owns this radio that I'm talking through. Rich has two radios. He's got one on a beam that's at about 70 feet. That goes through 10 through 40, and then he has a second ICOM on two antennas, an 80-meter dipole and a 160-meter dipole. And I bought Rich one of the radios because I wanted to be able to use his station, so that's why I'm able to use it whenever I want to. And I also have two of these IC7300s for experimenting purposes.
Cool. I'll have to look at the software then, consider getting it before I take off on my trip. Because that would be very helpful to be able to flip this on and off and do a little work from the hotel or listen or whatever else I want to do. That'd be kind of cool. I sent a join request to the ICOM RS-BA1 group, and I'm in IC7300 users group. I just joined that one today.